brothers and sisters.
Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, everybody. This is David Esquire coming to you live from EPHQ in this loud room. Yeah, studio is booming. Gosh, there's a lot of stuff put away, so the sound is just bouncing off of all this concrete and brick and glass, like you can see in my reflection of my shades. Anyways, squirrel. Okay, so today's episode is brought to you by My Time, and it's all about how to capture cinematic footage with your mobile phone. Quite easily done when you just press the cinematic button on your video. I'm just kidding. If you want to take it to the extreme, there are redonkulous ways to do it. You could do B-script and do just a DOF adapter, use your own glass, like for your DSLRs, and put it on the front of your phone. There's, so many different grips and doohickeys that you can use. Or you could just go with the native, like that's the only lens that you're gonna use. But I'm just gonna be telling you the one thing that's gonna make the biggest difference for your footage to be cinematic. Slow down, bro. Seriously, slow the F down, like big time, slow down. Reason why is that when you are moving at 30, 40, 60, 120 frames a second, it's gonna be super jumpy and just jaggedy and just, it's like you're running, like that, like how I just shook the camera. Like seriously, slow down. Makes all the difference in the world. You don't have to have a gimbal. You don't have to have all this crazy stuff. In fact, I'm using a 20-year-old Benro tripod that I absolutely love, small rig adapter, and then I've got my small rig cage and the Rode wireless Go 2. None of this was purchased. None of this was sponsored. I purchased it all, okay? But literally, I could just use my mobile phone and just walk and just hold the device. I've done it before, I can do it again, and I encourage you guys to try it. What do you use to get more cinematic footage with your mobile phone? Totally share downstairs in the kilt zone. In the kilt zone, where you share your comments online. I know, don't quit my day job. All right, so let's wrap it up. Yeah. There you go, Pope. See, look at it, I did the Esquire early, I remembered. So that's it, and this is David Esquire coming to you live from EPHQ with another episode of Raw 365, where we get real, authentic, and weird for 365 days. I'm going on like my fourth month, I think, right now. Third or fourth month? I don't know, I lost track. It's so many, and it's daily, and it's raw, and it's authentic, and it's weird. If you're following me, thanks, appreciate it. Like, comment, share, YouTube, subscribe, bell, notifications, ding dong. And until next time, remember to do one thing and one thing properly. Wonder what it could be. I'll let you comment downstairs in the kilt zone, and you can tell me what it's supposed to be until next time. And I'll see you soon. Look at that, that's kind of cool with the reflection. Bye, guys.